You know, we're fighting a stereotype. When you use the word manufacturing, a lot of people bring up the cotton mills and all that kind of stuff and poor wage jobs, but it's totally changed in the past 20 years. We're trying to change the parents' perception of that too. Any hands-on activity you can get the kids, it's all good. So in 9th grade, we bring them in, we build bridges and rockets and have fun. And then we find out who are the ones that are serious about going into a manufacturing career, and bring them to our 10th grade course. And we specifically focus on welding, machine tool, and mechatronics. Those are 3 big areas. Well, it's definitely the little things that makes a big difference. I talked to a 10th grader the other day. I said, can you name 3 companies in Greenville? And he couldn't do it other than BMW. We invite industry out here to connect with these kids and to let them know what's out there, what job opportunities are out there. We're trying to convince kids that, you know, a 4-year degree is great, but it's not necessary to be successful and have a very lucrative career. So we're pushing the technical careers and getting them out there and getting them exposure to that. And this is just a great way for a small thing we can do by having an expo that we can connect business and industry with our local kids.